Shalonda. Back with another wig review. I don't think you're gonna say it. Yeah. The highlight of my day when new videos post. Thank you for bringing us so much joy and being such an awesome mama from Happiness and Positivity 1. Ha ha ha! I ready to freaking snatch it. You know what that reminds me of? Who's that one girl? Melanie Martinez. When she be doing like that doll stuff. Yeah. Like a stylish judge. You know how the judge be having a wigs like this but it be white? Where your little hammer? Look. Trying to go. Order in the court. Say order in the court. Reminds me of, you know the lady from Guardians of the Galaxy? Shalonda. You know the girl from Guardians of the Galaxy? Do you know her?
Yeah.
No, you don't. What's her name? Exactly. I think it's Gamora or something like that. Yeah, girl. I think she was having like purple hair. Yeah.